According to the passage, each of the following is true regarding Wolverine, except we need to find the answer on the basis of the question. So we need to find the choice which is false with respect to the passage. Wolverine is not immortal despite the extent of his healing factor, which is considerable. Choice A is true. Again, Wolverine is fluent in Chinese and he has some knowledge of Thai. That is, Wolverine is more fluent in China than in Thailand while he uses the respective native language. So choice B is also true. He is a trained expert, that is, he is trained by versatile way mentioned, and he is an expert or adept trainee who is skilled in multiple types of weapons, vehicles, computer systems, explosives, and assassination techniques. So choice C is also a true statement. Now, Wolverine is a member of X-Men who is an exceptional hand-to-hand combatant, having mastered virtually every fighting style on Earth, and so he has ample confidence on him, and so he who is mastered cannot be a diffident X-Man who has lack of self-confidence. So choice D is a false statement and the correct answer for the question asked. His claws are naturally sharp, that is, it is not artificial or art sets, and so Wolverine's claws do not need to assign any artificial sharpness because of being natural. So choice E is a true statement, and so we can eliminate it. So the correct choice for the question asked is choice D.